Now that's a call viral for the right reasons. Kapeng Barako Strong!
And journalism even stronger.
With Bagong Nayon 1 Elementary School's Rhythm Reverie, here comes the bold and fearless Batangas Cluster. Starting with Batangas City with City Mayor Honorable Mario Vitoro A. Marino. With SDS Hermogenes M. Panganiban. ASDS Catherine B. Maranan. CID Chief Socorro R. Comia. SGOD Chief Angelisa A. Amoto. With their journalism focals, EPS in Filipino, Demetrio B. Bautista. EPS in English, Leila M. Seco. With their division mantra, Eto Batanggenyo Disiplinado. Magkatuwang tayo sa edukasyong areglado. Lahat tayo ay panalo.
Calacas City. SDS Gregorio T. Mueco. ASDS Ferdinand T. Glor. CID Chief Annabel R. Marasigan. SGOD Chief Aprilito C. De Guzman. With their journalism focals, EPS in Filipino, Jovelyn D. Bancoro. EPS in English, Vivian C. Silva. With their division mantra, angat ang edukasyon dahil tama ang gawa sa lungsod ng Calaca.
Lipa City with SDS Felizardo O. Bolaños. ASDS Ronaldo V. Ramilo. CID Chief Lorna R. Medrano. SGOD Chief Minerva C. Caraos. With their journalism focals, EPS in Filipino, Fernando B. Enriquez. EPS in English, Alan D. Tipan. With their division mantra, we lead, inspire, produce, achieve.
Santo Tomas City. SDS Neil G. Angeles. ASDS Edward DJ Garcia. Chief Jomar C. Sor. With our journalism focals, EPS in Filipino, Marisa A. Vilay. EPS in English, Louis Grace G. Margallo. With our division mantra, Tomasino ako, wagi ang gawi ko.
Tanawan